In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see pending follow requests that you've sent on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up your Instagram and then go to your profile by selecting the profile icon down in the bottom right. From here, you need to go ahead and tap the three lines up in the top right to go into your settings and activity. And up at the top, go ahead and select Account Center. From here, you need to scroll down a little bit and you're looking for your informations and permissions. Go ahead and select that. And then go ahead and select Export Your Information up at the very top. It's going to load for a second and redirect you to a page that looks like this where you may be prompted to sign in again. If it asks you to sign in, just go ahead and sign in. But essentially what you need to do is choose all available informations, tap next, choose what file you want it to be sent to, then hit create file, and once it's ready, download it, open it up, and inside you need to go to connections, then followers and following, and then there's going to be a follow request section in there. In the file specifically, that's where you see the list of all the follow requests that you've sent. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.